Today I am going to share perfect Beson Premixed. Let's get started. Garam flour 2 cups. The most important part is to sieve the garam flour. Done. Chili powder 2 teaspoons, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, baking powder 1 teaspoon, and baking soda 1/4 teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Mix very well. Done. Put it in the jar. It will be fresh up to 1 month. When you need, you can use. Now I am going to make batter. Garam flour mixed 1 cup. Water 1/2 cup. Mix very well. Warm oil 1 tablespoon. Mix again. Perfect batter. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.